Welcome to the Windows Club. If Skype cannot send or receive images or files, then either read through this article on the website for the resolution or simply watch this video. I'll guide you through the procedures. First of all, check the size of the file. If it is greater than 300 MB, then Skype will not be able to send it. To check the size of a file, right click on that file, select Show More Options and then Properties. This is where it shows the size. The next solution is to check the status of the Skype server. Simply click on this link and you can check the status here. If it's all normal, then it's good. If not, then the issue is from the server level only. The third solution would be to reset the Skype application. Right click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Apps tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, click on Apps and Features. Then scroll down to Skype or search for Skype in the search bar here. Click on the three dots associated with it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and you'll find this option to reset Skype. The last solution would be to delete the folder for Skype in AppData. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command AppData and hit Enter. This will open the AppData window. Find the Skype folder, right click on it and select Delete. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.